are normal. So first we have one. We pronounce one in English. In French we say on. N is the nasal sound. On. So on. Then we have two. That is the. It is not these. It is the. On. And the. I wrote the Hindi pronunciation. And the. Throw. Throw means three. Throw. It is not throw. Throw is three. Throw. Throw. Quatre. Quatre means four. It is not quatre. It is quatre. Quatre. Then we have five. That is sank. It is not sink. It is sank. Six is, we have the same spelling but we pronounce it as seize. Then we have set. It's not sept, it's set. We don't pronounce the P. Then we have we. We don't pronounce the T and H. We only pronounce the U and R. We. Then we have nine. That is nerve. It's not neuf or neef. It's nerve. Then at last we have 10. That is these. It's not this. It's these. So let's repeat. 1. Nasal sound. 2. The. Remember that in French we don't pronounce the D and T like D and T. We pronounce it as the and the. It's not the, it's the and the. The and the are very harsh in French. So we have the, not the. Then we have throw. It's not thrice, it's throw. Then we have quatre. It's not quarter, it's quatre. Not quatre, it's quatre. Then we have 5. What is 5? Sank. It's not sink, sank. 6. We write it same, but we pronounce it as seize. Then we have 7. That is set. 8. That is we. Like we say yes in French, we. Same way, we. 9. That is nerve. 10. That is these. अभी एक चीज remember that some pronunciations like H, N and many more and E are not like we write them. It's somewhere different. So H, when we write it first letter, we don't pronounce the H. So when we say we don't say quit. We say we. pronounce it in the nasal sound. Like if I say bonjour, N is the nasal sound. E. So there are many, special characters for E, and they are never like this. No, they are always like this, this, or this. So this was for today's video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and bye.